Hello and welcome to Learn German for Beginners. Part 1 gave you the foundation, the greetings, the verbs, and the basics. And if you watched it, you now have 100 words that cover half of every German conversation. But here's what nobody tells you about that first 50%. It gets you understood, but it doesn't make you sound real. The moment you walk into a German kitchen, describe the weather, talk about your home, your family, your feelings, you hit a wall. Fast. That wall has a name. It's the second 100 words. And that's exactly what this video is. This is part 2 of the Essential German Word series. 100 brand new words. 0 repeats from part 1. These are the words that turn basic communication into actual conversation. We are talking family, clothing, weather, your home, adjectives, time expressions, and the connector words that make everything flow naturally. The ones that make the difference between sounding like a phrase book and sounding like a person. Same format as the last time, category by category. Say each word out loud. Pause if you need to. Your brain retains spoken words faster than read ones. Use that. We start with family, because the very first question a German speaker will ask you is usually about people. Where are you from? Do you have family here? Who do you live with? These 10 words answer all of that. Mutter, Vater, Bruder, Schwester, Opa, Oma, Baby, Klassenkamerad, Nachbar, Chef. Now, 15 more verbs. In part 1 we covered the survival verbs. These are the living verbs, the things you actually do every day. Arbeiten, lernen, schlafen, wohnen, leben. Pay attention to lernen, which means to learn. You are literally using that one right now. Lieben, mögen, brauchen, fragen, antworten. And now the last 5 verbs. Hören, sehen, lesen, schreiben, spielen. City and places. Part 1 gave you the supermarket and the train station. Now we go deeper. The places that matter when things get real. Stadt, Dorf, Park, Krankenhaus, Flughafen, Hotel, Kirche, Museum, Markt, Postamt. More food and drinks. You already know bread, water and coffee. Brot, Wasser und Kaffee. Now the real German kitchen opens up. Welcome to every German grandmother's house. And here are the next words. Milch, Käse, Ei, Suppe, Salat, Kuchen, Zucker, Salz, Öl, Tee. Our next category is clothing. 7 words. That's all you need to talk about what you're wearing or what you need to buy. Let's begin. Hemd, Hose, Jacke, Schuhe, Kleid, Mütze, Tasche. Did you know that Germans talk about weather constantly? And not just as small talk. It's a genuine national passion. These 8 words will make you sound completely natural in any outdoor conversation. Let's begin. Sonne, Regen, Wind, Schnee, Wolke, Baum, Blume, Meer. Home and living. Where do you live? What does your home look like? These 10 words cover every room, every piece of furniture that actually comes up in a conversation. Let's begin. Zimmer, Küche, Badezimmer, Schlafzimmer, Tür, Fenster, Tisch, Stuhl, Bett, Lampe. Now things get interesting. Adjectives are where personality enters the language. Without them, you can state facts. With them, you can actually describe the world. These 12 words will triple the number of things you can express. And the first one is neu, alt, klein, groß, schnell, langsam, leicht, schwer, schön, heiß, kalt, richtig. How often? How soon? These time and frequency words are the ones that make your sentences feel complete. Früh, spät, täglich, manchmal, meistens, selten, sofort, endlich. And we finish with the most powerful category of all, connectors. These 10 words are small, but they are the glue of the language. The moment you start using these, your German stops counting like a list of sentences and starts sounding like actual thought. Trotzdem, deshalb, damit, obwohl, während, bevor, nachdem, zuerst, dann, zuletzt. Ausgezeichnet. Excellent. Now you know 200 German words. Learn, practice, and speak every day. Here is what 200 words actually mean. It means you can walk into almost any everyday situation in a German-speaking country and handle it. Not perfectly, not fluently, but confidently. We call it the threshold, the point where the language stops being a puzzle and starts being a tool. 200 words gets you to the threshold. And the threshold is where motivation stops being a struggle, because once you can actually use a language, you want to keep going. If you haven't done part 1 yet, go there first. Link is in the description. The two lists build on each other. If you have, here's the plan for part 2. Same rhythm as before. 10 words a day. Use each one in a sentence before you move on. Don't just read, speak. Week 1, new words 1 to 50. Week 2, words 51 to 100. Week 3, build sentences combining part 1 and part 2 words together. Week 4, real conversation takes place. By the end of week 4, the gap between where you are and a basic, real-world conversation in German is smaller than most people think is possible. The full Part 2 word list, all 100 words, organized by category, can be downloaded from our Patreon site. Link is below in the description. Free as always. And if you want to test yourself, try this. Pick any 5 words from today's list and write one sentence using all 5 of them in German. Drop it in the comments. No judgment. Every attempt counts. 200 words. You've got them. The only thing left is to use them. By the way, if you're serious about learning German, don't forget, we offer completely free and well-structured courses for beginners and intermediate learners. You can learn at your own pace, access plenty of materials, and join a community full of real success stories. Just check out the links below and start your journey today. See you in the next lesson, and happy learning! If you liked this video and want more of these, do let us know in the comments. Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get a free worksheet by joining our Patreon page. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!